Hey, Matt.
Yeah, Michael.
You know how we're going to this conference up in Sydney soon?
I do.
Do you know when that is?
It is on the 14th and 15th of June.
It is. Do you know what we're not allowed to say?
No.
We're not allowed to say that we're a platinum sponsor for it.
I didn't know we were a platinum sponsor for it.
We're not a platinum sponsor for it.
Oh, okay.
But we are sponsoring a platinum giveaway while we're up there.
Oh, really?
But
okay.
we're not allowed to call ourselves a platinum sponsor.
Okay, well, I certainly won't do that. I won't make that mistake.
So if you're coming to the Australian Gold Conference, look out for the not platinum sponsor, Bullion Now, because we are up there and we are going to have a giveaway. I think they're doing it on the second day in the afternoon. They'll be giving away some platinum from Bullion Now.
Oh, wow.
So come and see the not platinum sponsor, Bullion Now, at the Australian Gold Conference.
See you there.
See ya.
Rolling. Hello.